Alright, I'm back with you guys. So what's up, fams? You don't even know say that I'll know. We're back with another video, beach day, all about the waves here. Alright, so prepare to have some fun. The sun is super hot. It's quite busy down here. You see everybody. So come on a look. Yeah, alright, later.
Hey everyone, man a bit sweaty, but some turn on the AC anyway. We're off to the beach as a family. We're in Sweden and France.
France.
Okay, so today is our first beach day.
Yeah.
And we want you to like this video, share this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you hadn't done yet, and keep supporting us as we promote our channel.
Yeah, so we're off to the road again, guys, and me know I love the road them kind of don't love stay on the yard, and I always love follow back away. So guess what, we're going on the road, guys. We're gonna be on the road all like what, all day? Was it all day?
Yeah.
What up? Yeah. So, and we're taking you along with us, so we're gonna have some fun today.
Definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna soak some pepper.
And we have some coconut in the trunk there, and some jelly, Jamaican jelly. So me all have a drink one, when I drink it out of one buckle and a few. Yeah, alright.
Yes.
And guess what? Coconut rum is nice, you know. Yeah, but me not drink and jive though.
Yeah, that'll be him later.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, at least you're gonna come with us and you're gonna get some jelly water to drink, and not even what we go eat yet today. Should be taking some snacks or something, but not sure yet what we're gonna eat. Okay,
right,
but just
full already.
Yeah, but if you guys know me well, I'm always hungry. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so see you later. Keep stay tuned. We're going on the road right now. All right,
okay.
Click the like button. So guys, if you love my earrings, them there, yeah, please check out my store, my handcrafted jewelry store, Shreggy Shop. You can find me on Instagram for Shreggy Shop at shop_Shreggy. Now the Shreggy is spelled with the dots between, yeah, acronym. It's an acronym. So it's STREGGEH. So that's ST and put the dots between, alright? So S dot, T dot, and I know it go. So check out Shreggy Shop. And that's friends getting pussy in the background, guys. But anyway, guess what? Check out Shreggy Shop. I'll leave the information in the description for you guys. Yeah, on the road again.
Thanks anyway.
I just look behind me. We automatically think that I say that.
I'm good. Well.
Alright, I'm back with you guys. So what's up, fams? You know, even though say that I'll know. We're back with another video, beach day, all about the waves here. Alright, so prepare to have some fun. The sun is super hot. It's quite busy down here. You see everybody. So come on a look. Yeah, alright, later. But we'll wash up and now getting ready to go. Yeah. Alright, so subscribe to this channel all about the weights if you haven't done so far. Click the like button, leave your comments below, and yeah. So just to let you guys know, this is Sweden's first beach day, guys, and it was great. Those are my leaving out so far, and this is also a requested video. So you requested this beach day video, and here it is. So guys, all our shop, so come back. Guys, back again. So just it's all our shop. Alex, come for the camera. Hola. Alright, so we're heading out now, heading back to the vehicle, and
you know what to hear now.
huh?
Happy baby.
Hi Sweden and friends. Yeah, I feel like a raindrop now. Yeah.